Kung maalala ninyo, he was the one who wrote, as CIDG head, he was the one who wrote the seminal report on the Mama Sapano incident. And that was immediately that gave me, that's when I came to know of him and saw that he has integrity. And then again, when I went to Baguio, meron na siyang, being a good investigator, he had a very
Sabi ni Yor, pero sinabi niya din dyan na special advisor kaya magulo sila parehas ni Claire. Special advisor nga, tsaka investigator, di ba? Simpleng-simple lang naman ang usapan dito. Hindi mo ba narinig yun? Sinabi niya dito. So, dapat isa lang. Ay,
na nagbibigay. Unang-una po.
Alam niyo, sa sobrang dami ng kasinungalingan nitong taong ito. Oh.
DG, dahil ito po ay under sa DNG Magano, special advisor, and who will act as investigator.
Special advisor.
Mayor
And
Magano is a career
who
law
will
enforcement
act.
officer.
Special advisor. And who will act as investigator.